Cool Beans, and welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing patterns. And by the end of this lesson, you should have a better understanding of what a pattern is and how you can create your own patterns at home using objects found in nature and other sources. Now, a pattern is simply a series or a sequence that continuously repeats. And like I said, you can find a pattern outside, you can find a pattern around your house, you can find a pattern almost anywhere. So we're going to dive in and learn a little bit more about patterns by reading Let's Do Math Patterns. And the author of this story is Sarah Pistoia and Piper Whelan. Let's do math patterns. We use patterns to recognize all kinds of things in our world. Colors or shapes used over and over to form a pattern. You can see a pattern on wrapping paper. You can see patterns on leaves and flowers. These patterns are on animal fur. Can you guess which animals they are? Can you guys guess what animal this is? Think about it. Think. How about this one? Let's see. The world would be different without patterns. Without stripes, this zebra would look like a horse. Oh, does that pattern look familiar to you? Is that what we saw here? Did you guess that was a zebra pattern? You were correct. Tigers and leopards. Leopards, I think this was our leopard pattern, are both wildcats. Is this a tiger or a leopard? That's right, it's a tiger. You can tell by the stripes on its fur. Tigers have stripes, stripes, and leopards have spots. Spot. Patterns can be made with shapes, sizes, colors, and positions. Look at the animal on the next page. You know it's a panda because it looks like a panda. But what makes a panda look different from a grizzly bear? What do you guys think? What makes a panda look different? Let's look at this panda. That's right. A panda's black and white coloring forms a pattern. That pattern makes the panda look different from every other animal. Pandas have white faces with black patches around their eyes. Where else do you see black patches? Do you guys see black patches somewhere else? I kind of gave it away. Yep, they have black patches on their arms and on their legs. Oh, did you get these two? Yeah, they even have black patches on their ears. Sometimes the parts of a pattern repeat themselves. When patterns repeat, it helps to think about what might be coming next. These jelly beans form a pattern. The pattern uses colors and numbers. How can you tell what colors come next? Well, let's look at these jelly beans. Can you guys say? Can you guys figure it out by looking at it? This is what the book tells us. To figure out which color jelly bean comes next, think about the order of the colors you see. Next, count how many of each color there are. Red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green. So they said the reds, the yellows, the greens, the reds, the yellows, the greens. So this is forming a pattern as well. Can we say it together? Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. Red. What will come next right here? Did you say yellow? If so, you're correct. Oh, look, we even see patterns in music. It says this musician thinks about patterns when she plays or writes music. Wow, I didn't think musicians thought about patterns. Scientists think about finding patterns when they study plants. Artists think about patterns when they create a work of art. Patterns of letters helped you learn to read or are learning to read. You're learning that by learning patterns. Discovering and using patterns is important in math too. If you start thinking about patterns, you can see them everywhere. And that's the end. And when I think about that, I do see patterns everywhere. I can see patterns in the fall where I may see yellow, red, orange leaves. Yellow, red, orange leaves. You can see patterns everywhere if you just look for them. So today we're going to complete a pattern exercise. And by the end, I think you will have a better understanding of what patterns are and how to do them. I would like to see some of your patterns that you create at home. Can you guys do that for me? Can you make a pattern from something around your house and take a picture? If so, post it. We love to see it. See you later. Talk to you soon. Cool Beans out.